If you're running into a Gimp download error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. The good news is that most Gimp download or installation problems are easy to solve once you know whether the issue is happening on the website download side or during the installer setup. So before you try random fixes, let's narrow it down the smart way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, ask yourself where the error is happening. If the problem appears while you're trying to download Gimp from the official website, then the issue is usually related to the server, the browser, or the download method. But if the file already downloaded and the problem happens when you try to install it, then it's more likely a permissions issue or a corrupted installer file. Let's start with the website download problems, because that's where a lot of people get stuck. If you're seeing a 403 forbidden error, a bad gateway message, or the download just keeps failing, the first thing you should do is avoid the BitTorrent option and use the direct download link instead. Go to the official Gimp downloads page and look for the direct download button. This is often the simplest fix because sometimes the torrent option or a specific download route can cause issues depending on your connection or region. If the direct link works, let the file finish downloading completely before doing anything else. Now, if the direct download still doesn't work, try switching your browser. A browser can sometimes hold onto broken session data, outdated cache, or extension conflicts that interfere with large downloads. So if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or another browser, then go back to the official Gimp site and attempt the download again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. Another thing to keep in mind is server traffic. If the Gimp website is getting heavy traffic, your download might time out or stall partway through. In that case, the best move is to wait a little while and try again later. It sounds simple, but overloaded download servers are a very common reason for Gimp download errors, especially when a lot of people are trying to get the installer at the same time. If you're on Windows and the website is still giving you trouble, another great option is to bypass the website entirely and use the Microsoft Store if the verified version is available there. That way, you're installing an official version through a trusted source without depending on the direct website download. And if you're on Linux, you can often install Gimp using Flatpak or snap commands instead of relying on the browser download. This can be a cleaner, more stable way to install the app, especially if the website is not cooperating. Now let's talk about installation errors, because this is the second big category. If you already downloaded the Gimp installer and it refuses to open, or you get a permissions error, a missing file message, or setup stops halfway through, the first thing to try is running the installer as administrator. To do that, right-click the downloaded exe file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to make changes to your system. A lot of installation errors happen simply because Windows is blocking the setup from writing files where it needs to. If that still doesn't fix it, make sure the installer file fully downloaded and isn't damaged. If the download was interrupted, the installer may be incomplete, and that can cause errors during setup. In that case, delete the broken file, go back to the official Gimp source, and download it again using one of the methods we talked about earlier. Also, make sure your internet connection stays stable during the download, because a weak connection can corrupt the file before you even start installing it. Another helpful tip is to close other programs while installing. Sometimes, security tools or background apps can interfere with the Gimp setup process. If needed, temporarily pause anything that might be blocking the install, then try again. Just remember to only download Gimp from the official and verified sources, because that helps prevent fake installers and security problems. Once Gimp is installed successfully, open it normally and confirm that it launches without any errors. If it opens fine, then the issue has been resolved. So to quickly recap, if you have a Gimp download error, start by checking whether the issue is on the website side or the installer side. Use the direct link instead of BitTorrent. Switch browsers if needed, try again later if the server is overloaded, use the Microsoft Store or Flatpak and snap on supported systems, and run the installer as administrator if setup is blocked. Those simple steps fix most Gimp download and installation problems. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.